Hi friends, if you ask me describe the year 2020 in one single line, I would say immediately expect the unexpected. Why? Because there are so many unexpected horrible things and happy things happen in my life that helps me to learn so many life lessons. So in the last video of the year 2020, I'm going to share top 10 life lessons which I learned in this year. So without any further delay, let's get started. The number one lesson in the list is know yourself first. In my entire life before 2020, I didn't know what I am really good at, what is my core value, and what is my true potential. All I assumed myself was I'm just ordinary average guy. Then I realized it is a limiting belief which I have. That's why I'm in stuck, not even upgrade one single point. See friends, even to upgrade the app, first and foremost thing you need to know is what are bugs that app have, what are the key features that app already have. Then only you can upgrade next version, right? So even in your life, if you have to upgrade the best and better version of yourself, first thing you have to do is know yourself first. The second one in the list is accept the situation. Generally when problem occur, we tend to complain it, and that makes ourselves into victim. If you don't like to be a victim, every problem in our life, we all have two choices. One is solve it and other one is leave it. Before you choose both the option, first you have to do is accept the problem. Accept the situation what you truly have. Then only you can choose wisely whether you can solve it or whether you can leave it. Third, nothing is granted. Earlier I considered people who care about me are so granted, but during those pandemic situation makes me realize anything can happen at any time. Anyone can pass away at any situation. So my humble request to all my friends who are all watching this video right now, whether it's your mom or dad or friends or spouse, whoever your caretaker, never ever consider them as granted. Next, value of humanity. I can say more easily, one of the most important things we all have to keep in our mind is humanity. Why? Because even during pandemic like this, we all craving for one thing. You know what it is? It's not vaccine, it's humanity. Because in entire human race, we can overcome any pandemic, we can overcome any obstacles and others if you have humanity with us. So friends, always be kind, show love and respond with empathy. Creaminess inside the struggle. Before 2020, each time I faced struggle, I felt like why me? But during the quest of knowing myself, I understand. Whenever I face the struggles, whenever I overcome the obstacles, I became even more stronger. So friends, if you have to taste the cream called stronger, then you have to bake the cake called struggles. The best teacher, your own mistake. Till date, I have been uploaded 28 videos in our channel. Before I start this channel, I had 0% experience in public speaking and video editing. So each time I upload this video, I make at least one single mistake. That makes me learn so effectively. So what I am trying to say, it's okay to do mistake. Don't be afraid, rather learn from it, because each of your mistakes are the best teacher in the world. Come outside of your circle. Early days as an average boy, I always thought I don't have opportunity, I can't give my best, I can't do this, I can't do that. But once I challenged myself and came out of my comfort zone, I can see abundance of opportunity around myself to upskill myself. So if you feel like you don't have enough opportunity to prove yourself, all you have to do is just come out of your circle. Focus on what you can control. I always love to quest what are all key factors that makes me so worry. In the end, you know what I learned? Whenever I focus on everything, even not even my control, that makes me so worrying. For example, take this pandemic situation. I can't stop or control the virus imitation, yet I can become even more healthy person, right? So if you like to be happy person, then focus only on what you can control of, rather focus on everything. It's okay to be not okay. It took me a while to understand the simple fact that life is full of ups and downs. Life is full of mixed emotions. In life, it's okay to feel pain. It's okay to feel scared. And it's okay to feel lonely. So friends, it's okay to be not okay at some time. Before getting into 10 to 1, now it's your turn guys. Comment what 2020 thoughts you or describe the year 2020. I love to read all of your comments guys. The last and final lesson I'm going to share in this video is greatness of gratitude. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough, and more than that, it turns denial into acceptance and confusions into clarity. So to practice the gratitude each morning, just think of only one thing you are grateful for. Say thank you so often and keep gratitude journaling. Each night, take time and analyze yourself that day. Write down 3 positive experiences that makes you even more gratitude. That's it from my side guys. From your side, if you feel this video worth to watch it, make sure you hit the like button and share this video to all your friends and family members